Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I have the Lookfantastic beauty box for the month of January. If you guys want to know what I got in my box, then keep on watching. Alrighty guys, if you guys aren't familiar with the Lookfantastic beauty box, it's a UK subscription box. I am not from the UK, I live in the United States, but I like trying all different types of makeup subscription boxes, so I subscribe to them. Glossy box I'm also subscribed to, which is also a UK makeup subscription box. I normally like the things that's in here, so I'm excited to see what I got for the month of January. If you love makeup subscription boxes, unboxings, I would say subscribe to my channel because I do a lot of that on my YouTube channel here. Your girl loves makeup, so you're also going to see any type of makeup video, makeup hauls, makeup mystery boxes, you name it. I do it on this channel, so subscribe, become a part of my YouTube family. Alrighty, let's dig in. So they always have like different color boxes, sometimes blue, sometimes orange. I love their packages. Oh, something smells like watermelon in here. I hope nothing broke. You get a little pamphlet in here. So that's what that looks like. You open her up. Oh, I opened it. I got too excited. That's what it looks like when you take the pamphlet off. And this is your sneak peek. I'm seeing, ooh, this lid almost fell. I just caught it. Alright, this is your sneak peek here. Looks like a lot of stuff is in here. Sneak peek! Alrighty, so what smells like that? That smells good. Oh, it's this bar of soap. This is a avocado and cucumber natural cleansing bar soap. Smells really good. Ooh. Ooh, it smells nice. Very soapy. I mean, it smells like soap, but it has very, very pungent soapy smell. Very excited to try this. Okay, so far, I mean, who's excited for a bar of soap? I mean, I guess I am, because I'm excited for it, but that's kind of cool. It tells you what's in your box, so this is what it looks like inside. And then I guess like each page, it tells you about like each thing that you got. So I'm excited for that. Yes, it tells you like every single thing. See, like I got the cleansing bar. It tells you a little bit about it here. So how much is this cleansing bar? Does it have prices on here? No, of course not. Why would it? Yeah, they don't have the prices, but I mean, at least it tells you about the product. Alright, so I got a Star Skin mask, and these are expensive. Ooh, and this is for your hand. Star Skin Nourishing Double Layer Hand Mask. That is pretty interesting. I can't wait to try that. I haven't tried a hand mask in a while. You can see the little hand right there in a corner. So, Star Skin, very expensive skincare mask. They're known for their mask. I got a Matte Me Ultra Smooth Matte Lip Cream. It's kind of like a burgundy corally color. So I'm excited to try that out. I got a beauty blender by Complex Sponge. No, it says Complex Sponge, but it's by the brand. What is this? So Eco? So Eco? A green beauty blender. This is the box. Alrighty, so excited for that. You can never have too much beauty blenders. The next thing I got is by SVR. It is a, what is this? Intense Moisturizing Cream for normal to combination skin, made in France. Like I said, this is a UK box, so you normally get stuff from like, not from the United States. Hence, UK box. I'm gonna give this away because like I really don't I always give the moisturizers away because I have too much moisturizers. The next thing I got is a shine enhancing overnight mask. I'm guessing this is for your hair. Yeah, apply to length of dry hair, massage into scalp, leave-in overnight on, wake and cleanse hair. So you gotta put this in at night and then wash it out. So super excited for this. So it looks like we only got one skincare item. Actually, I guess soap, would that count? No, that's body. So one skincare, one body. Actually, no, this is more body. Hands is body, right? So 2 body, a hair, and 2 makeup. What would I give this box? Let me think for a second. I would give this box a 7. 7 out of 10. There was nothing too spectacular in this box that I was like thrilled to get. But I am excited to try this hand glove thing because my hands are always dry. I'm always washing them, especially after all that's going on right now. I could always use a beauty blender. I love the lip, and it smells so good. I can't wait to try this. So I wish you guys, we have like smellogram, like smello camera where you guys can smell everything from the camera because it smells so good. I'm so sorry you guys can't smell this. But trust me when I say it smells good, it smells good. Alrighty, so that's really about it. That's the ending of my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I have so much hauls. Your girl has been shopping. So, I just finished doing all my boxes for the month of January. So, I'm going to do a couple of shopping makeup hauls for you guys in the next few videos. So, if you guys want to see what I've been up to shopping on my little shopping sprees, then stay tuned for my next couple of videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new and you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, become a part of my YouTube family, and that's really about it. I appreciate each and every one of you guys who's been recently subscribing to my channel. I'm happy that my family, my YouTube family, is growing strong. And I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye.